Pradeep Maharathy was an Indian politician belonging to the Biju Janata Dal. At the time of his death, he was a member of the Odisha Legislative Assembly representing Pipili Constituency. Pradeep Maharathy was born on 4 July 1955 in Pipili, Korapata, Puri, the son of Gokulananda Maharathy. Maharathy later married and had a son and daughter. In 2004, Maharathy declared that there were 27 ongoing criminal charges against him regarding attempted murder, molestation, rioting, theft, criminal intimidation and dacoity. In the lead-up to the 2019 Odisha Legislative Assembly election, Maharathy declared there were 5 ongoing criminal charges against him regarding unlawful assembly, causing hurt and theft. On 22 April 2019, he was arrested regarding an attack on personnel of the Election Commission of India at his house. He was released on bail on 29 April. Maharathy died of COVID-19 on 4 October 2020 at a private hospital in Bhubaneswar, aged 65. He had been tested positive for COVID-19 on 14 September. He started his political career as a student leader in SCS College, Puri. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.